Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be making the tutorial on how to cut and how to sew this sleeve. This sleeve has been trending online for some times now, so I just thought to share with you how it is made. So without wasting much time, let's just get started. Welcome guys. So for this tutorial we'll be needing the pattern of our basic sleeve. So this is my own pattern I'll be using. I've drafted this pattern in one of my videos, so if you don't know how to draft it, I'll just leave the pattern, the link to the video, I'll link it in the description box, so just do well to check it out so that you can know how to draft it. So now I'll be cutting it out just like this. I'll be transferring it into another pattern because I still want to use my pattern. That's why I don't want to sew it on this pattern. So I won't be adding seam allowance to the lower part. As you can see that I left that part over there, so I won't be adding it to it. So I'll just be cutting gently, and I will advise you use a soft paper like this notebook. That's what I use. If you use a pattern paper to tear it out, it may be kind of difficult. Just use a light paper to draft the pattern. So after drafting the pattern, this is what it will look like. So just cut it out just like that. So now this is what it looks like. As you can see that my pattern has a middle line in between it, that is the folded line for the book. So if yours does not have this, just try and create it down. So the next thing I will do is to make gathers from that line, that middle point. If yours does not have the middle line, you can just create the line. So we'll just be making gathers just like this. Just be making little gathers. You can just fold it in, maybe like quarter inch, just folding quarter inch like that. Just keep folding till you get to the end. You have to ensure you have enough, the length of the net you have is enough to go through this so that it won't stress you. So you just keep sewing like on the straight line, that middle line. Yeah, just keep sewing straight down. So when you are done, you move to the side. Also, you do the same thing for the side. So this is what we have for this side. You have to balance this net out. You see, as I'm doing like this, so that everything can balance out. Yeah, so that everything can balance out. Then you sew at the edge. Then you keep making your gathers like that. Keep making it so it gets to the end of this also. So now after you are done, you move to the other side also. The same way you did for this side, you do for the other side too. So just make sure you balance the pleats so that one is not much than the other. So that's just what I'm doing now. So I'll just keep making the pleats and balance it out. So after sewing in, this is what I have, and I've went ahead to sew the edge upper there too. So now I'll just trim out the excess net I have. Yeah, I'll trim it out just like this. Please like this video, please comment if this tutorial was helpful to you. Please just do well to comment. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, this is the right time to just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So now, as you can see that I didn't follow the pattern here, but you can follow it out. So in case you don't follow it out, just make sure you don't cut the net beyond the pattern, like beyond or under, like you cut the pattern away. Just make sure you don't do that. So you remove the paper. Then this is what we have after removing the paper. So this is what it looks like. So the next thing now is to join the side of our nets together. So just make sure you use the same seam allowance you use for your pattern is the one you should use, so that you don't have stories. So now I'll just join the side just like this with 1 inch. Mine is 1 inch, so I'll just join together with 1 inch. So I make sure it is 1 inches. So now after sewing, I'll just go ahead and turn it to the other side. I'll turn it to this other side here, just like that. So make sure you remove all the paper. You can see there are still little paper on my sleeve. So this is what the sleeve looks like after removing the paper. You may think that why is it looking like this? Until you put it on your hand, that's when you will know the beauty of the sleeve. So just stay tuned and you'll see how the final look will be. So now this is it after placing it on my hand, and it's look really beautiful. So this is what it looks like. So it's because I've not fixed it on my dress, that's why it's looking like this. But this is how it will look, and it's looking really nice. If this video was helpful to you, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.